Assalamualaikum dear student. How are you grade 7? This is our third day, 2nd December. Now we are going to start simple chemical reactions. Simple chemical reaction readings. Day 3. Take out your books, page number 73. You can see the pictures here of fuse burns, clans are crushed, toes burn, food is chopped, eyes swell and food is cooked. We have discussed in physical and chemical change, and you can now easily recognize what are the physical change and what are the chemical change. We have discussed the word equation also by yesterday. Now we are going to read the chapter. Page number 73. Changes can be divided into two groups, physical change and chemical change. It is important to understand the difference between physical and chemical change. When a metal can is crushed, the can is still a can. It is still made of the same molecules, only the shape of the can has changed. When ice melts, energy is added to change the state of water from a solid to a liquid. However, the water molecules have not changed. These are physical changes. Chemical changes happen when the atoms in molecules separated and join up with other atoms, making entirely new molecules, a new substance altogether. Heating iron and sulfur to make iron sulfide is a chemical change. Because the iron combines with the sulfur to make a new substance. Burning toast changes the molecular structure of the bread, so that is impossible to change it back to bread. Chemical changes happens during a chemical reaction. The table shows the main difference between physical and chemical change. There is a table to compare the physical and chemical change. In a physical change, no new substances are made, whereas in a chemical change, one or more new substances are formed. Number 2, energy is not always given out or taken in. In a chemical change, energy is always given out or taken in. In a physical change, it can be reversed, or if it is a chemical change, it is usually very difficult to reverse it. Now the chemical reaction, there is an easy way of writing down what happens during a chemical reaction. It can be written as word equation. This is the word equation for the reaction between iron and sulfur. When they are heated together, iron plus sulfur, iron sulfide, the chemical involved at the beginning of a chemical reaction are called new reactants. The chemicals that are made as a result of the chemical reaction are called product. In the chemical reaction between iron and sulfur are the reactants and iron sulfide is the product. It was reading. Now we have 3 questions. In page number 73, we are going to discuss the answers. You have the answers keys, so you can do this. Number 1, give 3 differences between a physical and a chemical change. These are the differences. Which of the photograph on the left page are example of physical change and ones are chemical change? Here you can find it. If the fire is burning, the color is changing, they can be indicate a chemical change, and if the only shape, size and volume is going to be changed, so it would be a physical change. When do chemical changes happen? When a chemical reaction is occur, a chemical change happen. Okay ji, it was about today. Inshallah, we will move on by tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.